Over the past several years at Engage, we've introduced a number of innovations along with plenty of industry firsts. And you've heard Mike highlight some of these. We were first to bring Drupal to the enterprise, move to the cloud, deliver sites at global scale, capitalize on low-code, no-code tooling, and to put a CDP at the core of a DXP. And now, with the acquisition of Widen, we're first with an integrated DAM and PIM. Now, over this past several months, I've spoken with many of you about your digital transformation plans. And during those conversations, many of you have asked, what new problems are you going to solve? What innovations will we learn about at Engage? So let's talk about that. Now, we believe that in the digital experience market, there are plenty of big challenges that we want to help you solve. Let's talk about the 4 big challenges that we see. The first challenge is the growth in applications, and that's both in the number of applications as well as their complexity. Like, we believe that over the next 10 years, every organization will need to build and deploy more and more digital applications. And we know these applications will become more complex. So most of these applications will actually transform from being simple digital marketing sites to full-blown applications that support the entire customer lifecycle. And so, over the last year, we've delivered several new innovations designed to help you get more digital applications to market, even as they become more complex. Now, those innovations include things like new developer tools, Acquia Cloud IDE, improved support for headless, Acquia Site Studio for low-code, no-code site building, and many more. And so that's the first challenge. Now, the second challenge we want to solve for you is all about data management. The more digital applications you have, the more data you need to manage. And on top of that, your customers will expect more and more personalized content and services. And so to help you with this, we became the first vendor to put a CDP at the core of a DXP. And with our CDP, you can unify customer data across applications, analyze and understand customer behavior, empower marketers with predictive insights, and apply machine learning to automate decisioning. And with these innovations, we're helping you move beyond the one-size-fits-all experience. And why is that important? Well, because personalized, data-driven experiences are the way to grow your business. It's how you differentiate yourself from your competitors. And it's already happening. Many of our customers have seen incredible uplifts in their business from Acquia CDP. And you'll hear many of these success stories in the various tracks at this event. So that's the second challenge. The third challenge you're facing is managing more risks. Now, more applications and more data mean more risks. And that's why we've put application security, consumer data protection, and privacy at the very heart of our mission. And it's why we'll never waver in our commitment to innovate in risk mitigation, governance, and compliance. And that's the third challenge. And finally, the fourth challenge is all about content. Content is at the heart of every digital experience. And so every year, you will need to manage more and more content. Look, your customers have already become digital researchers. And to support these digital researchers, you need more rich content, content in different formats, content written in different style and tones, and you need to make that available in all different channels. And so what was true when I started Drupal way back when, at the dawn of the web, is still true today. Content is king. Now, and so we've made it easier than ever to create compelling new content and to mobilize that content across your omni-channel campaigns. So these challenges, those 4 challenges, they were true 10 years ago, and they'll be true the next 10 years. And we'll consistently innovate to address these challenges for you. And last year at Engage, we said goodbye to closed monolithic systems. We've introduced the industry-first OpenDXP, and we put content and data at the core of the experience creation process. Why? Because we knew that organizations needed a single source of truth for their content and their data. In addition to content and data, there's also services. Why? Because customers research, transact, interact, self-serve, and this means you need digital services. Services for payment, account management, customer support, and more. And to address that need, forward-looking enterprises are rebuilding their technology stack. They're making radical changes to how they build and integrate content, data, and digital services. And this new way of building is based on 4 architectural principles. We call that MACH: microservices, API first, cloud native, and headless. Now, Acquia's OpenDXP makes it easier to align with those MACH architectural principles. Our OpenDXP unlocks the benefits of a new composable enterprise. And we do that through a common data layer to aggregate customer insights across all transactional services, a common experience layer to orchestrate the delivery of personalized content and brand experiences, and those can include voice, chat, and more. And finally, our OpenDXP brings you an ecosystem of third-party, MACH-compliant technology partners. But it's actually not enough. It's not enough to just unlock content, unlock data, and bring together an ecosystem of MACH technology partners. There's something else that we need to fix. And that's actually what we're going to focus on here at Engage 2021. It's time to let work flow. Now, what do we mean by that? Building experiences requires multiple teams across IT and marketing, each supporting different points in the customer journey. And sadly, no organization today has a platform for streamlining the creation and delivery of new experiences across their teams. Each experience requires a different workflow and different processes. And so you'll need development workflows, deployment workflows, content workflows, site building workflows, campaign workflows, testing and optimization workflows. And so yes, we've eliminated those content and data silos. And yes, we've integrated with different composable services, but we still have organizational silos and broken workflows. And so it's time to fix those too. And with Acquia, you can fix those workflows and unite all those practitioners across IT, marketing, and the entire business. To get there, we need to industrialize and automate all of the digital workflows: DevOps, WebOps, Experience Ops, Content Ops, Campaign Ops, and ML Ops. And to do all of this at each phase of creating and delivering a new digital experience, we need to answer a few questions. Who needs to do the work? What work needs to be done? What tools need to be integrated to do the work? And what steps can be automated using machine learning? So it's time to optimize digital workflows. So let's get started. And let's start with the heart of the customer experience: content. So how do we help you deliver more and more content? Well, we'll help you create more content: creative assets, video assets, product information, and we'll help you collaborate more with agencies, partners, and internal teams. And we'll help you share more across different channels and with local teams. And right now, all of that is messy because the current process is manual, time-consuming, and error-prone. And if you don't fix this, you can't deliver great customer experiences. But fortunately, we have a solution. And I'm joined here with Kevin, our head of product marketing, and he will tell you how we're fixing this.
Well, Dries, our solution is at the heart of our acquisition of Widen, industrializing content ops. Widen streamlines content ops, and they were the first to integrate DAM and PIM. That integration speeds the creation and distribution of all relevant product information, marketing and brand assets to all digital touchpoints, even third parties. The key to content ops innovations include workflows to streamline collaboration, review, and approvals, assets to create, manage, and govern rich media assets from a central source of truth, entries to collect, manage, and enrich product data with marketing copy, assets, and more, and portals to create, organize, and share curated collections of assets to local teams with control and flexibility. And finally, syndication to help you create and manage and deliver feeds of product and marketing information to third-party applications and marketplaces. Now, let's see our new Acquia DAM and PIM, powered by Widen, in action.
Our world is connected by content, and every product, channel, and audience puts pressure on marketing and creative teams to do more. As new content piles up in shared folders and hard drives, it's harder to find, use, and update. Team communication becomes more about finding and sharing the latest versions of assets instead of creating great things together. That's why hundreds of influential brands around the world count on Widen to manage digital assets and scale their work. Using the Widen Collective, you can tag, upload, and edit your assets. Use online proofing to review, annotate, and approve projects across teams and locations. Create a searchable, shareable library of your brand's photos, documents, videos, and other creative files. Associate assets with products alongside product information and marketing copy. Publish content across different channels and platforms. Learn how, where, and who is using your content. And improve workflows by connecting the collective to the tools you use every day. Bringing order to the sea of assets across your company is an intimidating prospect. Widen will be your partner, helping you develop a strategy and create metadata schemas. Our professional services can help guide technology changes and even manage the system for you. That's why marketers and creatives have relied on Widen to help manage their assets and tell their stories since 1948. With offices in the US and Europe, our teams can serve your brand anywhere in the world. Let's flourish together.
That was awesome. We believe Widen will be a real game changer. And by the way, I've never seen a company with such great customer satisfaction scores. I hope you're as excited as we are. Now let's take a look at how we're helping you deliver more and more code to innovate faster. And it really breaks down into three parts. One, to develop faster with microservices and APIs and prepackaged business capabilities. And two, to test faster. And finally, to deliver faster and deliver with maximum uptime and resilience. So let's take a step back and examine the problem. Now let's start with developers. They produce new composable business capabilities and they need to quickly access code repository, development tools, and development environments. And next, you have the release managers. Release managers ensure that everything works before pushing code to production, and that includes unit testing, integration testing, regression testing, security testing, and performance testing. So that's a lot of testing. And finally, we have our IT operators, and they provision new services across data centers. And they continuously monitor and patch vulnerabilities to ensure maximum performance and availability. And as you can tell, development and delivery of new digital products is complex. It's people-dependent, manual and checklist-driven, and time-consuming, and error-prone. And the good news is, we have a way to fix these broken workflows. Kevin, tell us more.
Dries, I'd be happy to, because this is the soul of our heritage here at Acquia, streamlining and industrializing DevOps and WebOps. Welcome to the Acquia Developer Experience, a new end-to-end solution designed to help organizations build, test, review, deploy, and optimize delivery. The Acquia Developer Experience eliminates manual processes and provides integrations across the development and deployment lifecycles, all to fuel faster digital innovation at scale. Our key innovations include Acquia Code Studio, a 100% cloud-based development environment integrated with Cloud IDE and GitLab. You'll now have all of the tools to plan, build, review, test, and deploy any Drupal application, all in one place. But wait, there's more. Acquia Cloud Actions, enabling you to fully automate the process of deploying and managing your code to your cloud environment. And Acquia Cloud Next, our most powerful version of our cloud platform yet, leveraging Kubernetes and cutting-edge AWS technologies to provide the superior security, performance, and resiliency that your customers demand. And last but not least, Acquia Migrate Accelerate, helping all of you move to Drupal 7 to Drupal 9 up to 80% faster with support for hundreds of the most popular contrib models. Now, let's take a look at our innovations in DevOps and WebOps and see the new Acquia Developer Experience in action.
We're excited to introduce Acquia Code Studio, a version of GitLab optimized for Drupal development on the Acquia platform. Code Studio makes Acquia Cloud the only full-stack platform for Drupal. It delivers all the tools you need to plan, build, review, test, and deploy Drupal applications. Your teams can plan using a built-in issue backlog and Kanban board. Developers can edit code in your browser, both in the GitLab interface and in the bundled Acquia Cloud IDE. Review changes, comment, and approve everything with a configurable workflow. Your code will automatically be tested using Drupal-optimized build processes. Those include Composer assembly, Drupal coding standards compliance, PHP security scans, functional tests, and automated deployments to Acquia's continuous delivery environments. We own and automate the repetitive parts so you can stay focused on what's most important for your DevOps lifecycle workflow. Best of all, Acquia handles the build process for you. When it's time to merge your code, just click one button. Now you're ready to deploy on Acquia Cloud. Acquia Cloud Actions. Now you can fully automate the process of deploying new code to your cloud environment. Just click a button and you're updated. No release checklists or manual tasks. No code, no command line. When you're ready for a new release, just select your tag in the Acquia Cloud UI. Then choose the cloud actions that you'd like to execute. You can back up your databases, clear caches, import configurations, and more, all through the Acquia Cloud user interface. Set defaults or customize cloud actions for each release. It's all up to you. Acquia Cloud Next is the latest version of Acquia's cloud platform, and our most powerful yet, leveraging Kubernetes and cutting-edge AWS technologies. Acquia Cloud Next provides superior security, performance, and resiliency at any scale. In this example, you can see additional cloud capacity becoming available just seconds after an increase in site traffic. With Cloud Next, every application has the resiliency it needs to remain online and performant, no matter how much traffic increases. Acquia Migrate Accelerate enables you to migrate from Drupal 7 to Drupal 9, up to 80% faster. AMA enhances Drupal's powerful migration system with an intuitive user interface, support for the most popular contrib modules, and data integrity checks that will save your team countless hours. Now is the time to upgrade to Drupal 9. With AMA, it's never been simpler.
As a Drupal developer myself, I'm really excited about all of these new capabilities. Now let's take a look at how we help you deliver more sites and experiences at scale. First, we help you build more. New channels, including web, mobile, and email, new touchpoints like kiosks and digital screens, and new modalities such as voice and chat. Second, we make it easier for you to extend with first-party services like profiles, preferences, and subscriptions, and third-party services, including ordering and billing. And finally, we help you enhance with targeted content and microsites. So let's take a closer look at the problem. First, there's web designers. They create visual designs and mockups, and they define site architectures and customer journey maps. Next, you have front-end developers. They are responsible for turning a design into a functional experience, and they make incremental updates to site layout and design to meet the ever-changing marketing demands. And finally, there is the digital marketers. They mobilize content and digital media to target different audiences, and they specify requirements for designers and developers and track and drive digital KPIs. As you can tell, building new sites and experiences is complex. You need to integrate development, design, content, data, marketing, all these workflows, and managing different priorities, projects, and timelines across teams. All of this boils down to one essential problem. We need to better distribute work between marketing and IT. To become a truly composable enterprise, we need to untangle these workflows. So Kevin, how are we finally going to fix that once and for all?
Dries, I'm so glad you asked. We're going to fix this by introducing an entirely new concept around composability and low-code, no-code tooling. To start, we need to streamline and industrialize experience ops. Enter the new Acquia Marketer experience powered by Acquia CMS and Acquia Site Studio. With the Acquia Marketer experience, digital marketers can eliminate bottlenecks, and seamlessly coordinate with designers and front-end developers to rapidly assemble any new digital experience. Key innovations in the Acquia marketer experience include Acquia CMS, our open source collection of Drupal modules built to support content assembly and delivery across the entire organization, all optimized for the Acquia Cloud Platform. Acquia Site Studio UI Toolkit, which accelerates the creation of rich content and landing pages with over 50 new pre-built UI components, as well as industrialized, component-based designs and design systems. Our new Acquia Site Studio Visual Page Builder, which for the first time unlocks the full power of Site Studio's layout canvas with true what you see is what you get page builder. Now, let's see our latest innovations in Experience Ops and our new Acquia marketer experience in action.
Acquia CMS is an open source collection of Drupal modules designed to make it easy to assemble content and deliver it across your entire organization. And it's fully optimized for the Acquia platform. Use the Acquia CMS Composer project to create and extend a new codebase, or add any of the 13 submodules to your own Drupal project. You'll start every new application already ahead of the game without sacrificing Drupal flexibility. To accelerate every new project, we've selected and configured the very best community modules, content models, and configurations. The first projects built on Acquia CMS were delivered under time and under budget. We are working to extend that power across the ecosystem to give you even more value. With the new Site Studio UI kit, you can create rich content and landing pages faster than ever before. The kit includes over 50 ready-to-use components that you can brand, modify, and extend using Site Studio's low-code tools. The flexible layout system allows you to tailor your page design to your content and deliver the exact experience you want to provide. We've even included smart components that help you ensure your content looks great and is accessible across desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. But that's not all that's new at Site Studio. With the new Site Studio UI kit, you can create rich content and landing pages quickly and easily. Its flexible layout system enables you to tailor your page designs to your content and deliver the exact experience you want to provide. The new Site Studio Visual Page Builder brings the full power of Site Studio's layout canvas to the front end of your website. This is a true what you see is what you get page builder. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop interface to edit your page designs and access your library of components to build new experiences quickly and easily. And once you're happy with your design, jump in and edit the content, all directly on your website. With the UI kit and Visual Page Builder, Site Studio has never been more powerful or easier to use.
With experiences being so critical, these innovations are yet another way to elevate your business. That was awesome. All right, so far we've had more code, more content, more experiences. So now let's take a look at how we can help you deliver more campaigns. To deliver more campaigns, you need to target customers. By defining audiences and messages, you need to engage with these customers across media, channels, and journeys. And then you need to convert them, right, on landing pages and microsites. So let's examine that problem as well. And let's start with the global campaign managers. They identify target audiences for individual products and services. They develop targeted campaign messaging for acquisition, upsell, and retention. And then next, there are the local campaign managers. They create market-specific messaging and collateral. And then we have the customer experience managers. They build prescriptive journeys across campaigns, and they ensure consistency of brand experiences across organizational touchpoints. And so today, connecting digital campaigns across all of these teams and touchpoints is a very difficult task. It's a process that includes complex stakeholder management across teams and departments. meeting-heavy and spreadsheet-driven approaches, and frequent breakdowns in cross-functional alignment and execution. So clearly, we need to fix broken campaign workflows. Hey, Kevin, how are we going to fix this one?
Dries, you nailed the problem, and now it is time to nail the solution. We need to connect and industrialize campaign ops. Our key innovations here include our new visual email and landing page builder, a first of its kind, easy to use drag and drop interface to make it easier for everyday digital marketers to build beautiful emails, beautiful landing pages, all without having to engage designers or developers. Our first of its kind multi-tenant marketing automation, empowering globally distributed teams with local contact lists, custom branding, and campaign workflows, all while maintaining global rules within golden campaign templates. Our exciting new multi-touch campaign attribution, for the first time enabling you to visualize campaign performance across the entire funnel and customer lifecycle so you can understand what campaigns work best. And finally, there's one more key innovation, putting data privacy and protection at the heart of your digital campaign. Meet our new out-of-the-box privacy management tool that enables effortless organizational compliance with GDPR, CCPA, and more. How does it look? Well, let's see.
Meet Acquia Campaign Studio's email and landing page builder. With an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, it's never been easier to create emails and landing pages that get results. WYSIWYG editing enables you to customize templates and lock them for general use, all in accordance with your brand guidelines. Seamless dynamic content adds an element of personalization for every single customer, so that one-to-one relationship building can happen at scale. This is Acquia Campaign Studio, a powerful marketing automation tool designed for everyone. Now take a look at Acquia Campaign Factory's new multi-tenant framework and golden template. You already know that multi-tenancy infrastructure saves time and money. But multi-tenant marketing automation? Enter Acquia Campaign Factory, the innovative way to manage all of your marketing automation needs in one parent-style view. You can keep contact lists, custom branding, and campaign workflows, each within their own instance, all the while setting rules using the golden campaign template feature. After scaling your resources with distributed marketing automation, you'll never look back. Acquia Campaign Factory is the solution to your multi-problem and more. We're also pleased to introduce multi-touch attribution reporting in Acquia CDP. Now you get an accurate multi-channel view into campaign performance across the funnel, and clearly understand what influenced a well-performing campaign, with data visualization that even non-technical marketers can understand. You'll see which campaigns are driving pipeline and revenue, and why, so you can quickly determine the best way to allocate your marketing budget across the buyer journey, and prioritize campaigns that will hit your goals. To streamline analysis, all attribution models you need for a total multi-touch attribution analysis will be available in Acquia CDP Metrics, where you can easily switch which model you'd like to apply for analysis. Multi-touch attribution gives you the deep insights you need to understand what's working, where to improve, and how to make the most of your budget. Our new self-service data erasure makes it easier for systems administrators to comply with GDPR, CCPA, and other data privacy requirements. Now your team can perform a customer data deletion request quickly and easily. It's an easy 3-step process. Click Create Delete Request and use search and filtering to select the data to be deleted. Review the results and confirm the delete request. Monitor the status of your deletion request on the data erasure page. Administrators can also delete a single user profile and all its related identities while viewing customer data in the 360 profile application.
Great demo. I know Lynn and our marketing friends are pretty excited about all these new innovations. So far we have more content, more code, more experiences, and more campaigns. So now let's take a look at the Holy Grail. How do we help you test new personalized experiences and deliver more optimizations? And there are three main tasks here. One, analyzing customers to understand their preferences, behaviors, and intents. Then testing experiences, and finally, optimizing journeys. So let's examine the problem by looking at the roles of everybody involved. You have the data analyst. They integrate data to build a unified customer profile. They build dashboards and develop metrics to inform the business. You have a data scientist. They model cohorts of like-minded customers. They identify opportunities to automate decisioning on the best next experience using predictive models. And finally, you have customer experience analysts. They model customer journeys across organizational touch points, and they test and optimize new journeys to drive better customer and business outcomes. And with Acquia CDP and our machine learning capabilities, we democratize access to data and insights. But we need to be able to leverage these insights in real time. And we need to continuously test, learn, and optimize each unique customer journey. We need to industrialize a new business process, and one that spans all IT and marketing functional workflows. So Kevin, what are we doing about this?
Dries, we've been on a mission, and here today, we are excited to share that we have found the Holy Grail. It is time to industrialize ML Ops. With ML Ops, we can finally put an end to broken journeys. It puts CDP-powered insights and machine learning to work to enable a continuous loop of DevOps, WebOps, Experience Ops, Content Ops, and Campaign Ops. The result? A fully optimized customer lifecycle. Today, here at Engage 2021, we're saying enough to broken customer journeys. Our key innovations in ML Ops include self-service analytics, a fresh, modern look and feel, customizable, user-friendly filters, and a new dashboard creation experience and editing flow with improved performance and cross-filtering. ML Launchpad, which for the first time unlocks the mystery of machine learning by providing direct insights into which behaviors are driving particular predictions, empowering marketers to, for the first time, to optimize for better outcomes. Machine Learning Studio, a first-of-its-kind, low-code, no-code tool that turns everyday marketers into citizen data scientists, enabling them to leverage rich customer data to build and customize machine learning models and run custom analytics. And finally, automated A/B testing, which enables continuous machine learning-driven optimization, including auto-promotion of different variants to drive higher rates of customer engagement. Now, let's see our new innovations in ML Ops in action.
We're excited to announce new self-service analytics in Acquia CDP. Key features include customizable user-friendly filters, a new dashboard creation experience and editing flow, and improved performance, all of which make it easier for non-technical teams to get important analytical insights to drive better business decisions. We've also added cross-filtering, which makes it more intuitive to interact with the dashboard's data and understand how one metric affects another. Just click a data point on one dashboard tile, and all dashboard tiles will automatically filter on that value. Today's marketers need deep, nuanced insight into micro-patterns and multifaceted customer behavior. ML Launchpad provides a range of feature importance graphs and heat maps that explain both model and individual customer predictions. This builds deeper understanding and trust in ML predictions and enables marketers to create highly optimized and performant campaigns. Acquia's ML Labs gives marketers the power to rapidly build and customize machine learning models based on rich CDP data, all in a powerful, simplified, self-service environment. With ML Studio providing direct access to rich CDP data, marketers can become citizen data scientists. and rapidly incorporate new insights into their ML models, or run custom analytics. ML Studio handles everything, from data access to production push of new models and surfacing within the app. That leaves you free to customize models for rapid iteration and increase value. Quickly build new ML models, leveraging new customer insights, and gather new insights, only possible in an analytical notebook environment. Models and scores computed within ML Studio are available across the entire Marketing Cloud. We're thrilled to announce that we not only have A/B testing within Acquia Personalization, but you can now automate optimization by automatically promoting winning variations with no manual approval required. With Personalization's auto-promotional capabilities, you can let the system decide which variation is best for engagement, or keep the human element in your optimization workflow.
All these innovations will really help you work smarter and not harder. So now you've seen how we're helping to break down organizational silos and connect workflows across teams and experiences. By industrializing digital ops across marketing and IT, we can eliminate these broken journeys. And we can enable organizations to deliver personalized digital experiences at lower cost, with greater velocity, at greater scale, and with better business outcomes through continuous optimization. And for the first time, you can develop and execute a real plan to crank out day after day, month after month, limitless new variations of experiences across the customer lifecycle. Today, we are unlocking the composable enterprise. And together with our DX Alliance partners, we are here to showcase the new composable solutions critical to any customer experience. So Kevin, tell us more about these exciting new solutions for the composable enterprise.
Dries, what's truly exciting is leveraging our new innovations together with our DX Alliance partners to accelerate the delivery of new composable solutions from 12 to 18 months to as little as 90 days. First up, our employee experience solutions to help you deliver a transformed digital workplace. Our solution improves collaboration to help globally distributed teams to organize and share work, discovery to quickly harness existing knowledge resources wherever they may live in the enterprise, connectivity to ensure all employees have easy access to the tools they need to get their job done, and finally, intelligence to deliver a personalized digital workplace for each unique employee, whether they're working in the office, working in the home, or working in the field. Next up is our DX Alliance-powered composable commerce solution. This solution is our new MOC-compliant architecture leveraging Acquia Site Studio, GraphQL, and Node.js. Our solution includes pre-built components to help accelerate paths to purchase and enable in-moment product discovery and fulfillment at scale. It enables no-code experience building, allowing anyone to test, iterate, and deploy beautiful commerce experiences at scale. Simply put, it's the fastest and most flexible way to implement an API-first commerce and to onboard a MOC-compliant commerce solution. Now, let's see our DX Alliance-powered composable employee experience and composable commerce solutions in action.
Here's an example. Emma is a new front-end engineer on the digital marketing team, based in Columbus, Ohio. She can log in using single sign-on and through integration with an identity provider, or HRM. She's presented with a truly personalized experience that looks great on any device. Powerful search makes discovering content across the organization simple. Emma sees relevant results from the employee directory, internal and external documentation, and the company's public-facing website and support content. Integration with enterprise applications like Asana, Jira, Slack, and HR systems reduces the need for contact switching and keeps everything an employee needs within reach. Managers and employees can curate their experiences with recommended content, bookmarks, and enriched profiles. And because Acquia CMS supports low-code page building, Content producers can create engaging experiences for employees at scale and deliver critical information on multiple channels, even from a mobile device. With the Acquia Total Employee Experience, employees can be their most productive, no matter where they are. When it comes to commerce, being nimble is key. Boosting conversions requires endless testing, iterating, and development of new experiences. This ongoing need is fueling a composable revolution. Now brands are breaking the shackles of old monoliths, creating better shopping experiences and pivoting quickly. All thanks to an entirely new architecture that unlocks the creativity and the energy required to execute effectively. A composable framework allows commerce, marketing, and IT teams to come together to experiment, iterate, and build. This no-code experience creation powers the quick pivots that lead to experiences that are truly personalized for real people. To get there, a modern commerce strategy must be built on top of a composable DXP. This approach combines the capabilities you need to deliver exceptional commerce experiences with the flexibility you need to quickly onboard, mock services, and feature technologies. The result is a future of accelerated growth with security and governance at the core. Enter Acquia Composable Commerce. We built our turnkey solution on the Acquia DXP to enable anyone to onboard modern, API-first, MOC-compliant digital commerce capabilities, all with plug-and-play composable components and applications delivered by DX Alliance ecosystem and Acquia CMS modules, all in just days. Acquia Composable Commerce features low-code tooling powered by Acquia Site Studio with Node.js and GraphQL for maximum agility and scalability. Acquia Composable Commerce gives you accelerated experience creation with pre-built components that help accelerate paths to purchase, while enabling in-moment product discovery and fulfillment at scale. Low-code experience building, empowering anyone to test, iterate, and deploy beautiful commerce experiences at scale. The infinite extensibility and composability you need to onboard new capabilities, custom elements, and blocks, and to incorporate new applications at any point. Native brand, data, and experience governance, including preset design elements to ensure your team stays within guidelines as they test, iterate, and deploy commerce experiences, no matter where capabilities are sourced. You'll experience true digital freedom thanks to native integrations with commerce, PIM, product discovery, and optimization partners in the DX Alliance ecosystem.
Wow, that was epic, don't you think? 18 months to deliver a new commerce solution? Enough. Years to deliver a new employee portal? Never again. 90 days is now all it takes.
Thank you, Kevin. 18 great announcements today. Look, I've been part of this company from the beginning, and even I'm blown away. And so I'd like to take a moment to thank our product and product management teams, as well as engineering and product marketing, and everyone else at Acquia for helping to bring our vision to life. And of course, a big thank you to Acquia's partners and customers, because we couldn't do it without you. We are on a 10-year journey to architect for a new future. And that future will address more applications, more data, more risk, and more content. We're committed to building and delivering everything you need for a truly composable enterprise. So if you're interested in learning more, join us at the booth. If you're interested in giving feedback, our user experience team is standing by to have those conversations. So our vision is clear, and our platform is built for it. And now we look to all of you. It's time to unleash radical innovation. Let's do this. Let's engage 2021. Thank you.